Hi, today I'll be showing you how to reinstall a laptop computer screen. The model of this computer here is an Acer Aspire 7250/0672. The simplicity of reinstalling a computer screen isn't that hard. I'll demonstrate as shown. Remove simple screws mounted here and here. This will remove the display plate off. Once the display plate is removed, simple as just popping it off. There will be a couple latches placed throughout, and they just seem to pop. Allowing the screen to move back will allow the front latches to release. Display plate has been removed. Place that aside. The easiest way to get the next part off is the screws that will be placed here, 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 and here, as well as on this side too. To remove them, take a simple screwdriver and allow to remove. A tip so easy removal of the screws would be to rub a magnet on the tip of your screwdriver. That allows it to collect the screws much easier. The reason for replacing this laptop screen is the pixels on this side. Once all screws have been removed, the back of the laptop should be able to drop down. The screen here, you'll see a small connection. I'll zoom in. This right here, that has a little small piece of adhesive tape. Pulling it backwards will remove. That can be placed aside. Done. Your screen is fully free. Placing that aside. Now to show you how to install the new screen, I'll be doing an unboxing on this box. Box hasn't been opened yet, so we'll see. First thing you see is a large enclosed envelope. And inside this bubble wrap envelope is another envelope. And inside this is my screen. To remove some tape, sliding it out. Placing the screen face down with protective cover still on, careful not to scratch. Just slip the connective piece back into place there. Give it a zoom in on that. That's just simply placed in and pulled into place. Make sure it's stuck down. Careful to upright the laptop screen. Found one of the simplest ways to finish this off is to place it upside down. Press it in your plates down. So once the laptop is inverted, be careful to watch where the screws should be placed. Once all screws are in place, the invert laptop. Placing the screen back on. Make sure you tilt the laptop back. Popping it in. And then popping it back. But before doing this step, make sure the sticky back has been removed. Once all those steps have been completed, insert two screws again, here and here. In the initial video you might have to remove two stickers covering the screws. The initial install. Once everything has been attached, make sure the hinges work correctly, pressing back all of the display, allowing it to click into place, and turn it on, and allow for startup. There you have it. Hopefully this helped, and have a good day.